Okay, so next problem that we have is that we have a 1.2 kilogram pot of water, which at the beginning is at 25 degrees Celsius, and this is placed on a stove. Now, if the stove is going to transfer 200,000 joules of heat to the water, what is the final temperature of the water? So what we're looking for is, again, the final temperature. Keep in mind that we know that delta T is equal to the final temperature minus the initial temperature. So in this case, this is nothing but an algebra problem. Okay, we know that Q is equal to mc delta T. Again, that m is for mass, c is for specific heat, and delta T is the difference in temperature. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to divide by mass and specific heat, both sides, cancels out. So I end up with delta T in this case. So delta T is just equal to Q over MC. Another thing to note is that delta T is the final temperature minus initial temperature. So if I bring it over, I can write this as final temperature minus initial temperature, which is Q equals to MC. I want to have this into the other side of the equation, so I just add initial temperature to both sides. So then this is going to be final temperature is equal to Q over MC plus initial temperature. Okay, and this is going to give me the answer that I'm looking for. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to just plug in everything that I have, which in this case I know that Q is equal to 200,000 joules. Mass is equal to 1.2 kilograms, and then specific heat is 4,186 joules kilograms degrees Celsius. And to this I'm gonna add initial temperature, which we said it was at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's start canceling that units. Kilograms go away, joules cancel out, end up with degrees Celsius and degrees Celsius, which is what my answer is going to be. Okay, so my final temperature in this case is going to be, after I put all this into the calculator, I get, let me just double check, I end up getting 38.22 plus 25 degrees Celsius. I should have, let me correct this. Like I've said, always use all your units. So in this case, it's going to be 38.22 degrees Celsius plus 25 degrees Celsius. So if you add it, if you add both of these ones, you should get about 63.22 degrees Celsius. Okay. Yeah, so that's this problem right here. First portion was just nothing but pure algebra. Hopefully this helps. I will be making another video.